Nobody wonders about this part of life. Can we be honest for a second? Because life did not explain itself well. I mean, nobody sat us down and said, this thing you are entering, it get level so. They just said, be strong. Be strong, okay? Nobody wonders about waking up tired even after sleeping. Or trying your best and still asking yourself, am I really doing enough? They didn't warn us that some friendships expire without notice. That you will outgrow the people you still love. And that sometimes you feel confused with no clear reasons. And the crazy part, you think you're the only one. But listen, everybody you admire is also figuring things. Everybody you admire is also figuring things out. Let me tell you a short story. So if you're close to me, you can tell that I admire people a lot, yeah? I admire people a lot. So there's this friend of mine that I admire so much, and each time we get talking, I'll tell him, I admire you a lot. Just look at yourself, see what you're doing for yourself. You're doing well, you're doing this, you're doing that. And one day we got talking and said, Rosemary, you don't understand. I am behind time. I was like, whoa. What do you mean? And he said, see, I am late. I am going through this, I'm going through that. I need to figure this out. And I was like, whoa. See, nobody has life figured out. My darling, everybody you admire is also figuring things out. Just that some people package it better. You're not weak, oh. You are adjusting and you are learning life in real time. So, if this sounds like you, welcome. Follow me because next week we're going to talk about how I survive bad days without pretending I'm okay. Stay vivid. I love you.